Welcome, dear students. Dear students, in the last classes, we had completed two lessons and two poems. Dear students, today we are going to study about the new lesson called My Beginnings. As an introductory part, dear students, if I ask, would you like to play? I will get the answer yes. Yes, dear students, every one of us would like to play. Either you are a boy or a girl, everyone would like to play his own or her own games. If we ask boys, boys would say kabaddi, Kho-Kho, volleyball, football, throwball, cricket, and so on. In the same way, the girls also will reply their own games. But anyway, all of us would like to play a game in our lives. The games gives us a spirit, happiness, and so on. In the same way, we see the entire world is concentrated on one game that is called the cricket. Cricket is made known to the whole world. Everyone likes to play cricket. We call Sachin as the god of cricket. Before Sachin, we remember a player called Kapil Dev, you may all know, because he is very popular because of the cricket game 1983. In the 1983, for the first time, India won the World Cup under the captaincy of Kapil Dev. So the full name of Kapil Dev is Kapil Dev Ramlal Nikhanj is the full name of Kapil Dev. So he was born on 6th January 1959 in Chandigarh. So he was in the Indian greatest all-rounder. He is not only a batsman or fielder or bowler, but he is an all-rounder. So in his captaincy, Indian cricket team won the 1983 World Cup for the first time. So in his autobiography, Straight from the Heart, so it is an autobiography which is written by him. We have taken a small portion, a piece of his biography for our lesson, My Beginning. So dear students, we are going to study about the detailed lifestyle of our former Indian cricket player Kapil Dev. So in this lesson, Kapil Dev speaks about his own experience, how he had begun his life, how he became popular all over the world. That is what we are going to study, my dear students. So he speaks in the beginning, looking back at my life, I have come to the conclusion that our beginnings never know our ends. When we begin something, we will not know how our life or our work is going to end. So that is what he begins with. For me, it all started in Chandigarh, a small town nestling in the foothills of the Himalaya. Nestling means it is situated. So Chandigarh is situated in Chandigarh, a small village. He was born. So I was born on a cold winter morning. So he speaks that he was born in a cold winter morning. So his mother, who is a simple woman, so could not read the time, but she knew it was early in the morning. So she did not know on what date that he was born. So the date 6th January 1959 was thankfully recorded because a cousin of mine was born on the same day, around the same time, and with the same name. So his mother was not able to remember the date and the time on which Kapil Dev was born, but she knew that his cousin was born on the same day and the same year. So that is how he was remembered in that particular day. I grew up among 6 other brothers and sisters, all older than me, except one sister who was a year. So my mother always regales me with the tales of my naughty behavior. So he was very naughty. He was not staying in one place, and he was running here and there. She claims she never managed to control me, which means her mother had a tough time with him to control his behavior. But I do admit that right from the very beginning, I found it hard to sit still. So he was not able to concentrate on a particular thing. He was very busy and he is a very active person. I was very curious, and it was my ambition to travel around the world and drive a Mercedes Benz. So his ambition was one that he had to travel around the world. That also in a Mercedes Benz car. So the Benz car was very costly. So God has been kind to me, and both my wishes have been fulfilled. So both wishes, that is, one is traveling around the world, and another one is traveling in the Benz car. So both had been fulfilled by the grace of God. That was the experience that Kapil Dev had. So life castles in the air. So, but at that time, 25 years ago, these dreams seemed like castles in the air. He says that it is like castles in the air. That means building a dream, having ambition without any construction. So that his dream was in the air. So that is how he thinks. At the end, he successfully achieves his aims. Thank you.